Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use DALL-E feature to create an AI image. Yes, you heard right. So let's roll up and get it. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile, then type DALL-E. Those who don't know, it's an open AI art and it's totally free. I don't know versus. Just type DALL-E. Now you can see this first open art AI. Click on this website. Now, for using it, you have to just okay. Now you have to go to this create image on the home page. Go to create image. Now it will take you to the prompt section. Now you have to put your prompt. For example, a dog playing a piano, and just after writing your prompt, you can also add features by adding commas like a dog playing a piano and swimming pool, and you can add different features according to your wish by adding comma, then put the prompt which you want in the image. Then after putting your prompt here, go to create option and tap on create. As you can see here, okay, now I have to sign in with my Google account for using this feature. Okay, I will. Okay, now just tap on any Google account. It's totally free. You don't have to pay any single penny for it. Now just logging in. Okay, now again go to create. It's loading here. Now you can see here. Okay, now you can see according which I have my prompt here. I got 4 pics here. Now it's really super cool and cute at the same time. You can select any one of them from your suggested 4 pictures. You can put according your prompt according to your AI image. So that's it guys. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to use this free tool and make something new and cool from this website. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.